Class, today we have a very special project.
This little plant needs water every single day. You must promise to care for your plant every day.
Me! I will do it! I will! Pick me!
I promise I will water every single day.
Take good care of this, Jack. It is counting on you.
I will, Miss Cindy.
Look, I have a plant. It is my job.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, it is very beautiful, Jack.
It is a sunflower, Mom, for my school project. Where's Dad? I need to show him now.
He is in the hallway. Go on, little explorer.
Hey, what do we have here, buddy? Dad, this is my plant. I have a special job.
A special job? Tell me everything, Jack. Good roots. It looks healthy and strong. Every day, Jack. Every single day. You must water it.
Yes, Dad. I will remember. I promise.
The sunflower needs lots of sunshine to grow tall.
This spot. The sun is here every morning, Dad.
Good. Just right. Not too much water, not too little.
Like this, Dad? Is this the right amount? I will remember, Dad. Every morning. I will not forget.
Jack, eat your breakfast. Don't watch TV.
Yeah, okay, Mom.
I will water the plant later. Time to play. Ow! The ball. It hit my head.
I am not laughing.
I do not understand this question. The plant is fine. It is totally fine. I will do it tomorrow.
Jack, come on!
Jack, the plant looks very sad. Did you water it today?
Oh, look over there! Something amazing! Come!
Jack, there is nothing over there.
I will do it tomorrow. First thing, tomorrow morning.
No. Please, wake up. Please. I am so sorry. Please, wake up. Here, water. Take the water. Please grow. Please.
Jack, what happened? What is wrong with the plant? Jack, did you forget to water it?
What happened, Jack? I forgot. I was playing, and then I forgot again. I am very sorry, Dad. I am really sorry.
Jack, what did you promise?
I promise I will water it every single day. Yes, Dad. I will remember. I promise. I promise to water it every day. And what happened? I forgot. I was busy playing. I was not careful.
How do you feel right now, Jack? I feel very bad. I feel sad inside.
Can I sit with you?
Of course, sweeties.
Dad, is a promise like money? Like, you must pay it back?
Yes, Anna, exactly like money. That is very smart. When you give a promise, it is like giving your word. When you borrow money from someone, you must pay it back. You must always pay it back. A word is the same, Jack. When you give your word, you must keep it. Your word is precious, Jack. It is who you are.
Dad, can I fix it? Can I make it right again?
What do you think, Jack? What can you do?
I know. I will buy a new plant. A new one.
A new plant? With what money, Jack?
1, 2, 3.
And 6, 7.
Enough! I have enough! Let's go to the store, Dad!
This one? No. I must choose carefully. This one. This is the one. It is strong and healthy. Every morning, I set the alarm. Listen, alarm clock. You ring every morning. I will wake up. We have a deal. I am sorry, little plant. I did not take care of you. I am very, very sorry.
Jack, do you want to talk to me about something?
Miss Cindy, I made a mistake. My plant died. I forgot to water it.
Thank you for telling me, Jack. That was very brave and honest. Now do better. That is how we learn, Jack.
First, I water my plant, then I eat, then I play.
Good morning, my little gardener.
I already watered it. Come and see. Anna, watch. You hold it like this, and you pour slowly. Yes, good job, Anna. That is exactly right.
Thanks, Jack.
Miss Cindy, come in. Come and see my plant.
Hello, Jack. I am excited to see it. Let's go.
Oh, Jack, look at it. It is so tall and beautiful. You kept your promise, Jack. You really kept your promise.
Yes, I did. Every single day.
Jack, I am so proud of you. I am so proud.
Anna, hey, you are squishing me. Mom, are you crying? You are crying. Mom!
I am not crying. I have something in my eye.
Jack, a promise is a gift. First, you give it to yourself.
A gift to myself?
When you keep your word, you become someone you trust. That is the real gift.
Remember, keep your promises. See you next time.